Alrighty, Dan, here's one of your 427s. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Got the Pro-Am manifold, Holley throttle body, Holley fuel management. Shelby covers on it. Front sump oil pan. Got our pulley kit on it. Go in there and run it, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400, 515 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 537, peaks horsepower 529, so we're rated at 520, so it's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. It's the new cylinder head. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs on it. Video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag, have engine number and other specs. That engine number, if you need something from us, that's the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, QR code, hover over that, take you to our tech site. A bunch of other technical stuff there too. So highly recommend watch all this. It'll make your installation a lot easier. Have a great day.